first of all, thanks for submitting, because frankly we didn't have any other women submission, women tester submission. Thanks for coming here all the way from Gurgaon to speak with us. And I'm actually wondering, what do you enjoy most about testing, and what brings you here as a committee member?
So, it's a pleasure to be here. It's the first time I was able to participate in something like this. What I enjoy most in testing is more in the perspective of strategizing, thinking that how much testing do we need? Do we need all of it? Do we need all the phases? Or can we do it in a most efficient and effective strategy? Yeah. So it will involve all the aspects. It will involve maybe even test cases also. It will involve automation. It will involve manual testing is required, and even sometimes automating the business level testing or the user-based testing. So that's what I enjoy doing.
So, and I'm sorry to shoot you with this question, because you're a woman tester. Why are there not enough women speakers?
What I feel is that even though we have a lot of women in the testing community, in the sense if you see any IT organization, you will see that a lot of
bigger ratio,
bigger ratio in testing than in development. But I think the opportunity cost of women, like coming out, spending a weekend, and getting sponsored by the organization to attend such kind of events is pretty low. So if we have to give encouragement from the organization, as well as like give some incentives from our side as well to encourage more women to participate.
I kind of buy this logic. I would buy this logic that the organizations need to support them. However, I'll also share that we came to the point where we started to sell free seats to women. We just started to give them complimentary seats. We still not got enough women participation, and that was a little shocking experience.
I think we need to highlight, and we also need, like, a lot of more of them are becoming conscious and how these things are helping them. So they're becoming more aware of these incentives. And so if being at a senior level, we should be pushing our people more to attend, our team to attend more such things, and the exposure and the visibility it gives them, and the ideas they can bring back. So those, if we incorporate, I think we'll have more participation.
What is your message to the testers around here at ThinkTest?
Don't have a myopic view. Keep your eyes and ears open. Things keep changing, evolving, so we have to change with the time to be able to stay there.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was a pleasure having you.
Thanks.